Well, there were really two reasons why we wanted to go with LED. The first was financial. In this district, that issue of trying to find savings financially was what impelled us to look differently rather than turning off lights. We started hearing a little bit about the idea of LED lighting, and so looking at LEDs and wondering what kind of effect those rays and those waves might have is another reason why we started talking about it. Didn't realize the impact it would be until we heard some testimonies. The lighting conditions throughout the whole district were mixed. The building that we're in right now, the high school, is only 7 years old, and two of our other buildings, they're a lot older, and they were primarily, really old fluorescent fixtures. They were fluorescent and halogen in this building, and so some areas were dark, other areas were overlit, and there were students who have epilepsy or are on the autism spectrum, and so they were affected by the lighting, and that was one of the things that we wanted to accomplish through this. Right now, what I hear from the kids especially is a big change. Comments from teachers, from principals, and from custodial staff. In fact, just today the high school principal was telling me that since the LED upgrade, there were several who now say they want the lights on because they actually feel better. And that's a testament, I think, to what we were told about the light spectrum that these bulbs carry, that is having an impact that we wanted it to have. We chose EOS partially because of their partnership with XL Energy. We heard about them through that group, and then when their representative came and first talked with myself and the maintenance director, I felt like they were giving us the whole story, not just trying to sell us a basket of goods and not just trying to get business from us. I felt from the beginning that this was something that the district needed to do, and to have someone who honestly would come in from a world perspective and the experiences that they have internationally and work with middle of the nowhere Monte Vista School District and someone like me to say, here's what we can do that might help you in your quest for doing the right things and using the limited resources that the district has has been great. And so their willingness to do what they did and work with us financially and working on an arrangement for the materials itself, as small a project or as large as we wanted to go, was the other selling point. So they're good folk. Would I recommend other districts do this? Absolutely. In fact, I have already shared our experience with Adams State University and their desires to save some money, and I serve with a bunch of other superintendents and have told them here about that experience and why Monte Vista School District decided to make the shift, especially with EOS, because they, as I mentioned earlier, they seem to understand what we're trying to accomplish and aren't coming across as if this is just a sales pitch, because I really feel that they were in it for the right reasons, and that was truly to help what we're trying to get done here. Their honesty and their explanation of the entire, here's what you can expect to have happen, here's how we're going to support you in the process, here's the work that our teams are going to do. That experience has been the same from start to finish. So thank you, EOS, and thank you for being willing to partner with Monte District on this.